What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how do I make high ticket sales without any competition and how I get $1,000 by on sale. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JBG and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And in this video I will show you how do I make these high ticket sales without any competition. But if you want to promote any high ticket program or if you want to make high ticket sales like $1,000 per sale, then you have to join a high ticket program first. And you see here, it's legendary marketer, the number on business model at the present time, number on high ticket training program at the present time. It's an educational training program based on online marketing. So if you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey and how can you long run your online journey for lifetime, then legendary marketer is the best training program, educational training program for anyone. So if you want to make big sale or high ticket sale, then you have to join any high ticket program first. I am a member of legendary marketer and affiliate of legendary marketer. When I become the member of legendary marketer, I get this 15 days business challenge. You see here all these 15 days business challenge, and you have to complete all these 15 days business challenge first. A coach will be appointed for you to solve all of your problems. After that, you will get a lot of other products inside this legendary marketer and a lot of marketing strategies for promoting your products. After joining this legendary marketer, you don't need to promote legendary marketer. Legendary marketer will teach you how to promote any digital product, software, training program, webinar program, or anything, any physical products. So it will help you to learn online marketing. But if you think I want overnight success, then it's not possible. You can get a high ticket sale, a $1,000 sale by overnight. You just need $7 to join legendary marketer, and after joining legendary marketer you will get a lot of resource inside this high ticket training program, and it will help you to get how can you get these big sales inside here. You see here all my commission. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of info inside my YouTube channel about affiliate marketing. And if you want to make big money per month, over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And if you want to make high ticket commission, then comment in the comment box, I want high ticket sale. So you see here I'm making these big commissions here. It's a high ticket program and I will show you. You see here I made 9 high ticket sales inside this legendary marketer within this short time. So legendary marketer will teach you how to get this type of big commission, 1,000 per sale. You see here I made 6 sale in and a lot of mid ticket sales, so legendary marketer will teach you everything step by step how to get these big sales and how to overcome from the crowd of uh, junk marketing. Legendary marketer teach you step by step everything. So if you want to make big commission, if you want to make a want to get a high ticket sale, then you must need a high ticket training program first. So join legendary marketer for 7 and be a legender like me, like others. Now if you see the it's the leaderboard of legendary marketer, and you see here the last month I am here. A lot of marketers make big commission inside legendary marketer, and I am here. I am a 2x gold member. 2x gold member are those who make $20,000 inside legendary marketer. You see here, here is the rank definition. Here is the gold, platinum, diamond, and here is the ring rank details. Here is my next target is $30,000 and 3x gold. Now I am 2x gold member in legendary marketer. And you see here all the custom funnels. You can earn a multiple income system here. So if you are a member of legendary marketer and affiliate of legendary marketer, you see here the stream of other income. You can make money from click funnels, get response, over, and other multi income system, and legendary marketer integrate all of this for you. So if you want to make big money, then you must need a high ticket program first for learning. After that you can make big money this high ticket training program. After completing my training program inside legendary marketer, you see here I built one of my blog site. It's answertoday.com. If you don't see this answertoday.com, then bookmark this website and you can follow me, and I am uploading various helpful content in the daily basis, and I am getting traffic from it. And it's the tricks of legendary marketer. Legendary marketer help me how to market with marketers, how to market with newbie, how to market with expert or new marketers. So everything you will get inside legendary marketers. Then I established my I am trying to establish my YouTube channel here by helping various helpful content about make money related affiliate marketing. You see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see a lot of videos inside my YouTube channel. Okay, and you see here it's my Instagram. I am starting this social media journey. You see here, and I am uploading 2 or 3 or 5 contents per day, and it's my Facebook page, and I am uploading and I am sharing very helpful content inside my Facebook page. You can see my video description, check my video description, and you can see my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everything. So check it and follow me to follow my marketing strategies and make these high ticket sales without any competition. So legendary marketer help me to every kind of aspect of marketing. So you have to learn first, then you can earn. And getting a high ticket sale, getting a $1,000 sale isn't easy. To make this type of sale isn't easy. So you have to first learn, and legendary marketer will help you to make this big commission. So guys, if this video help you to get this high ticket sale without any competition, and you will get the right path of these high ticket commissions, then thumbs up this video, share this video for the others, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over per month, over 10,000, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, best of luck, join legendary marketer, make big commission, and be a legendary like me and others. So guys, it's high time to make big sales, high ticket sales. It's the trend of high ticket marketing, so don't miss it. Join here, learn here, and make big sales. Best of luck. Bye. God bless you. See you soon in the next videos. So guys,